Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today we are going to see about the app service into the AWS Azure cloud. In the AWS, what we have in the AWS, we have Elastic Bin Stack. Okay, in Elastic Bin Stack, what we provide, Elastic Bin Stack. What we generally provide the like file, and it automatically creates and deploy app for us. So same thing, we are going to see this particular service into the Azure cloud, and we are going to deploy one interesting app or website for us, so anyone can access that particular part. Okay, so beginning this video, who are new to my YouTube channel, you can search for the Chain Devkar, and you will find a different playlist for the, like, we have different playlists for the Kubernetes, we have a playlist for the Python, Terraform, Docker. This all I have taught. You can just go and study one by one, and we have also recently created the how to create virtual machines onto the Azure cloud. We will move step by step. Okay, so let's begin this video with an interesting practical, and let's see how to create an app service. So this is our Azure portal. Okay, so you have to search for the app service. If you don't find here, you can just search for the app services. Okay, we have this here, we have app services. Let me quickly, okay, this is our app services. Just like how does it look like. So let me quickly explain you what does the app services generally mean. So in the app services, we have certain code in PHP, or we have code in Node.js, or we have code in .NET. If we want to deploy this particular part, we need certain things, like we generally need our base OS, like our hardware system. Okay, then we require RAM, CPU, hard disks. Okay, like, or we can say storage part. Then third thing, we need a platform. So all these things we have to configure manually. Like, first of all, we create a virtual machines. Then on the top of the virtual machines, we select the RAM, CPU, storage. On the top of the RAM, CPU, storage, we select the platforms. Like, we create Ubuntu machine, and in that Ubuntu machines, we have things like we are going to cd slash var slash www slash html, and we are just writing some index pages over there, and we are using public IP to host that particular page and to do that particular part. So this is something about the manual part. This is all about the manual part. But now into the automation world, this is all about manually. But now into automation world, what we want, we just need, if we provide only our PHP code, it will automatically create pipeline. If any certain changes happen, it will automatically triggers, and it will automatically deploy everything for us. So here, this service, this thing is provided by the app services in the Azure, and same in the AWS, we have Elastic Beanstalk. So let's see how the things work. So this is the app service. You have to go to the create, and we have to create, there are the different 3 to 4 options over here. Okay, let me quickly show you. Okay, what all those options we have over here. So we have, we want a web app, we want static web app, we want web app plus database, we want WordPress. So what's happened in the web app, we are just providing the simple web app, like only PHP type code or something like that code. Okay, then in the static web page, like no dynamic things, only static. We are just able to see the static page. No process like Amazon. We have, that's the dynamic page. We are providing input output, that particular things, but we are just going with the static page. If you want to deploy, we have, if you want to attach with the web app with the database, then we have to go this particular part. Okay, so now we have, first let's create a new web app over here. Just click on the create a new web app. It will redirect you to the create a new web app. Okay, now as I talk about the resource group, we'll see into the upcoming videos like how you can create a resource group. I'm just using existing one as new, and what the web app you want to give. So suppose I just want to give as a demo. Okay, this web app is not available, so let's say testing 1 2 3 app. Okay, so they provide this domain is available, and they provide dot azure website dot net. This is something about domain name. If anyone wants to see this particular part, you can just see this, and this is domain is the fixed for from the Azure side. Okay, now what the you want? You want code, you want container, you want static web page. In the static web page, you can create your own static web page. If something know about someone know about a containers part, we have Docker, we have Kubernetes, like that we can attach the containers also, but right now we are just moving with the code. Okay, so our code, like as I was discussing, we have they are including different code languages like .NET, Java, Python, PHP. So we are just using we all they have also provided the node, so we are just providing with the PHP over here. And here region we want US East US. Then moving forward, plan we are just taking as a free plan S1. Then move to the next database part. If you want, then we have here the attaching the database. If you want to attach the database, or if we can attach the database also, but right now we are just moving it on a small scale level. Okay, so we don't require a database right now. Then go to the next deployment stage. Then we have to provide the GitHub account. What is the organizations we have right now? We'll see this attaching with the GitHub into the upcoming videos. I'm just showing you a basics web how you can see. We want enable the public access should be there. Yes, we want. Then monitoring should be there by us. Then next text just remain as it is, and just review, and just review out the things. Our testing name will be there, testing 123 app. Our code is there, the code is in PHP, and operating system is Linux. Everything is there, memory is 1 GB, and application sites not available, basic authentication, and just click on create. So our app has been started initializing, and the app has been started the creating. You can see the notification sections, and it is into the submitting deployment stage. So let's wait for the just few seconds. It takes few seconds to start and to launch your app. Here we are into the overview part, and they have been showing like deployment is in the progress, subscriptions as resource groups name is shown, and when we have started at this particular period of time. So let's wait for just few more seconds, and till the deployment gets up, and we'll see the further process. So you can see our deployment has been up, and you can see the inputs, you can see the overviews. The deployment has been up. Now let's quickly go to the app part. Okay, app services. We have here app services, and in the app services you can see here we have created the testing 123 app. Okay, just open this particular app, and now we want to see the final output, how our app generally look like. Yet we have not configured anything from our side, we have not configured any code, but still they have something from them side. They will you can see activity logs, you can see the status. It's taking some time to load uh, what all those things should be configured over here. So let's just wait for more quick seconds over here to load it initially. So our app is up now. If you want to test this particular app, you can just go down here, and you can just copy this. Let's open this into the new tab. So here we have just provided with our app name, like we have www.google.com. Okay, when we generally go www.youtube.com, www. Something google.com. Okay, so this is the domain name which has been provided by the Microsoft Azure. It takes certain times, it certain take few seconds to be up, and you can see some more things like what is your virtual IP, outbound rules, and virtual assessments, all these particular parts, and what is your Linux count. Everything you can see here in the detail options. So you can see your app is running and waiting for your content, and you can see your web app is live, but we don't have your content yet. If we already deployed, so it we have not attached anything about the PHP part, but in the upcoming videos we will see how you can attach your GitHub code, and how you can deploy your part. So this was all about how you can deploy your and create your own app service into the Azure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to the video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.